Alright, so today we're trying out two different sets of strings. Actually, I'm just trying out Stringjoy strings, but we're actually changing the strings on my main axe here. I've had this thing for a while now. It's pretty cool. It's a Dean Black Gold Z. I don't know, it plays really well and I really like it. So that's what I'm going to string out today. So what I'm doing is I'm trying out Stringjoy's Balanced Light set. They're 10-48. 10 to 48. And they're made right there in Nashville, Tennessee, made by human beings. What's cool is they use really solid components. They human inspect every single set, like some of the other guys. They don't mass produce. They actually just make all these sets with a small crew, and it's fantastic. So I normally play the Dario EXL 115s, these guys, but I don't know. I've just been playing them for so long, I want to try something different, and I heard fantastic things about Stringjoy, so I'm going to try them out. What we're going to do is I'm going to do an A-B between the strings that are on there now, which are the EXL 115s, and the new Stringjoy Balanced Light 10 to 48 set. Playing through my 5150 here, 5153, and just have everything at midnight. So I'll show you guys the settings, and we're just going to play some stuff. So let's go into A, what it sounds like right now before I change the strings here. That's what it sounds like. A. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna be changing them out, and let's check it out. Well, I got them on the guitar. Took a little longer than I'd like to admit, but hey, I don't change my strings but once every few months on all my guitars because I have 8. But first impressions, they feel really good. They went very easy to put on. Yeah, they just feel really good. Like I said, I play 1149s normally, but these things, I don't know, they just they feel really nice in my hands. And I'm in D standard tuning, so it's not going to be your E standard, the half step down or whatever it is. And they sound really good. They're really balanced across the frequencies there, so they're not too mid, low, or high heavy. I haven't played a 10 in a long time, and it feels really good. It doesn't feel too thin, doesn't feel too thick. It feels good. But let's check it out. This is B. This is going to be B. Man, the clarity on these things is amazing. Now, as we all expect, it's going to be pretty nice and crystal on the top end when you first put a new set of strings on, but even still, these things sound really good. Like I said, they're not too low heavy, they're not too high heavy. It just sounds just right to me personally. But yeah, the picking definition you can get with these things is, nice. Well, that's it for this. I just was really excited to put these on. Figured I'd show you guys, give them an honest review. My opinion, go buy them. Try them out in your normal sizes, whatever. I just went I went down a size. So maybe go the size you're used to so you can really get a good cross comparison there. But either way, custom strings from Nashville, Tennessee. Stringjoy, go pick up a pair. They're fantastic. And thanks to these guys for being awesome all over social media. They're really, really supportive. And yeah, I'll link all their stuff in the description below. And as always, you can find us on Apple Podcasts. You can find us on Spotify, Facebook. I'll put all the links in the descriptions below. And you please, please, please like, subscribe, and follow. Until next time, see you guys later.